Welcome you all. Today we are here with another phrasal verb, and that is break out. Break out, which means of war, fighting, or similarly undesirable things, start suddenly, or something is spread out. So something like war or fighting that starts all of a sudden, or any disease, it spreads out very quickly and suddenly, that we could say or we could use break out. इसको हम उर्दू में अचानक शुरू करना या कोई चीज़ अचानक से शुरू हो जाना कह सकते हैं. As it is there into this picture, how we are going to use it in sentences like the fighting has broken out all over the city. So we have used here the phrasal verb broken out, यानी कि जंग पूरे शहर में शुरू हो चुकी है. The dengue has been broken out in most of the cities of Pakistan. So once again we have used here broken out as a phrasal verb into the sentence.